Hey, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So let me see what's going on here. This video is another live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. So I have to do a put here. Why I have to do a put here? Because this everything here is telling me that we get here a pullback of the 200 EMA, and because we got here a reversal, and after this engulfing candle, price tried but failed to push the price up, I'm pretty much sure that price will go down because the sellers are here in control. They control the price. Yes. This candlestick here would be a sign that the next candle would be a red one. They trade to push the price up, but the sellers were in control and pushing the price down, and not down enough, yes, but like a gravestone doji. That means that there is selling pressure, and that's the reason why I have done a put. So let's see what will happen. It will be obviously a close in the money, yes, because of the situation of the 200 EMA and the 100, but it will be in the money because I understood that there is selling pressure. But now we got here this one. I didn't expect it something like this. That means that the 100 EMA is still giving buyers power. Yes, that means they tried to push the price up, and you see it's going up. That was the reason why I didn't enter in another put. Yes, also if this is looking like an engulfing candle, it was a clear sign for me that the power is over. Yes, because you have to understand that if after this kind of candlestick, the next candle, okay, I will do a put here instead. I'm going to do a put now, because I'm expecting that price will go down further, maybe not on this candle, but on the next running candle, yes. And so I didn't care about the purchase time, yes, because here on this kind of area around the 200 EMA or the 161.8 Fibonacci level, 261 point Fibonacci level, or on the 100 EMA, you can do often such kind of things where you don't have to care about the purchase time, because at the end it will reverse more than for only one candle, and that is what I'm expecting also now here. Yes, that price will reverse and it will take more than one candle. That means that this one got already, that would be already in the money, and the next one will be in the money too, because we are here at the 200 EMA and on the edge. Yes, I have explained this. Price is now stuck here in between till it will break out, and that means we are here on one edge, which puts the odds on my favor. Yes, the probability that it's going down is much higher than it's going up. Yes, it should break through this area to get up, and that is the thing. So okay, I will do another put now. Yes, I'm going to do another put because this doji showed me now that the price will go back, that we are getting that we get here now a reversal. Also, if price is going up, it's only to make panic, to do some kind of to fool those who believe in the first movement of the candlesticks. Yes, but I'm pretty much sure that this will be a reversal happening now. I get a phone call. 1 minute. So okay, I'm back, and like you see, it's going back, yes, and it will be maybe in the money, yes, close, but in the money. You see what I was talking about? So now I'm going to do another put, because now I understood really that this will be a good reversal happening now, yes, because that is what selling pressure makes happening here. Yes, selling pressure is showing me that we get now a nice reversal happening here. Also, if the 100 EMA is still pushing up the price, but I'm pretty much sure that this will be also in the money, because it showed me that the 200 EMA is too strong to be broken, yes, and now the reversal will happen. So you have seen, I was on the phone when this happens here, how market tries to fool and trap, yes. It was all the time above the 200 EMA, yes, but I was pretty much sure that price would come down, yes, and that is also, now we are getting here into some kind of double top, yes, and if the neckline will be broken, there could be done a lot of more trades in direction of the trend, yes, and then also the pullback, and then you would have your session done. So, okay, I think that was enough. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say, stay safe and bye-bye.